Yeah, yeah. Well, I can't. My knee's been screwed up, so I can't run.
Yeah, you gotta be careful out here. Look at
Yeah, I've just been kind of taking it easy, nice little walks, and I probably got shot a lot more than what I really would have, just because I'm used to like running around, but I can't. So it's kind of like I know I'm an easier target just because I can't really run. So, but I don't mind. I'm still out here just to shoot people. It's all good and fun, right?
Oh yeah. Exactly.
Nothing like shooting people. Hey, just make sure you don't hit someone in the head. I got this. I'm not gonna take that.
Let's go get some guys over on this side so they don't flank our guy.
I'm gonna be in a firefight with a pistol.
Fight?
Mine will too.
Hey, me and Jacob got the best idea. Say, I can shoot more from Jacob.
Watch it, incoming.
Hey, girl. You gotta move. Why am I out?
They're all this way.
Every single. Are they? Oh my god.
Do you get hit? Reloading.
Hey!
Hit.
What is our team doing?
I don't know. They all got fucking hit and
No, I mean they're just all clustered fucked right here.
yeah. Hey, you know,